can sit in all the sorrow you want to, but at some point, you're going to have to get the fuck up and let's get the fuck going, alright? Can't worry about what the fuck's going wrong. We got to worry about what's going into the future, baby. Only looking forward, because you've already burned your boats. The universe did that shit to you when they gave cancer to you. No more options anymore. Only going forward. You're the ultimate warrior, and we're going to do ultimate shit.